Okay, I give up. I'm breaking out the big guns. It's not light. So here's what I know about this Makita AVT Breaker Hammer. It's big, it's heavy, but it definitely gets the job done. I started tearing out these stairs. This is really old concrete, and even though it had a bunch of big rocks mixed in, the concrete, if you don't know, the older it is, the harder it is to break apart because it cures forever. So this was a really big job. I started with a sledgehammer, and then I went to a smaller breaker hammer, then the Makita. As soon as I started using the Makita breaker hammer, I wish I did it the entire time because it just made the job go by so much quicker. Like I said, it is heavy. I think it's about 70 pounds, and it was a little tricky to move around, but it comes with a nice dolly. The fact that this breaker hammer is heavy is actually a really good thing. Other tools, if they're lighter, you really got to put your back into doing the job. With this one, really, you just have to balance it vertically, and the weight of the tool itself is what gets the job done. Other than that, it's a really simple tool, and just pull the trigger and it does the job. Standard 120 volt electrical outlet. That's all you need. I hope this video helps. Good luck.